When Ricky did come around, she was probably made me and my wife really comfortable with Ricky. All she did was tell us what LMB can do. It's all about that working relationship with the client, and that's what we fell in love with, and that's why we chose LMB. When we did this house, the loft was always an issue. The house is a 1930s house, so we knew that the roof will have to be changed eventually, in the sense that the only times I would go up there would be when we're going on holiday or at Christmas to bring down a Christmas tree or to put the luggage up in there. It was itchy, it was dirty, and it's just a space which was just a dumping zone. We have a young family, and we wanted to kind of create another bedroom to kind of mean that everyone has their own bedroom in the house, and that's the reason why we wanted to change the loft space into a usable space. She also explained to us that when we start the project, we're going to work as a team. The project we decided on is the project we got at the end. The only difference is it's exceeded what I expected. We knew what trade we'll be dealing with on certain days, what information they need from us. The payment plan was perfect. The quotation which we got is what we paid at the end, and I stress that again. The quotation I got when we started the project was exactly what I paid at the end of it. Hats off to LMB. They're a rare gem in a field where there's multiple companies. You get other companies come around and you get LMB, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. LMB by far stands out, and I'm very, very happy with the project, and of course I would be recommending them and continue recommending them to friends and family.